What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Let me make sure we're live. How you guys doing, man? I've been looking at the markets this morning. They look like crap. But let's see if we can see something. We got the open right now, so let me make sure we're live. Okay, we all live. Give me a like, please. Subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, let's see what we got here, guys. Let me go to the charts here. How you guys doing today, man? Gold looks like it's gonna go up. Let me put a mark here. How's everybody doing, man? All right? We got oil news today, man. OPEC meeting. I gotta check, but I think it's at 10:05. Maybe it's at 10:30. Wow, look at Naz. Naz leaving the building, taking that equity already. Let's see what else we got here for Naz. Oh, it hasn't been up here in a minute. Let's put a line here. Okay. All right. That's an idea. What's going on here? Naz is bullish, huh? Let me close this again. Let's get back down here. I'm a little leery of taking that, man. I guess that's from the opening bell. There was news at 8:30 today. But that didn't really do nothing. Let's see, where's 8:30? Must be this one. Yeah. This candle here. US 30 doing the same thing? No. US 30 is going the other way. Just goes to show you they don't move together, you know? They don't move together. Sometimes they do, but a lot of times they don't. NAS is all tech stocks. So if something happens news wise with big tech, it affects NAS. It doesn't affect US 30, I'll tell you the truth, man. I don't like the way the market's moving today. I don't like the way it looks. Well, let's see. We'll give it a few minutes. I mean, NAS is my favorite to trade at this time, and it's just out of here, man. I mean, it didn't really even do anything. It didn't give any indication. It just all of a sudden took off. It'll probably pull back. Maybe it'll pull back, and then we'll see what we can do. When the lights go down. How you guys been, man? Anybody watching? Anybody there? Is there anybody out there? Mm, You guys see any trades? What's SPX doing? I hardly ever look at this, but it's a good pair too. Maybe we'll take like a longer term trade today. I don't know. Right now, I don't see anything, man. I'll be honest. I'm just not. Usually, like a trade, just I could just see what's gonna happen. Like I don't see nothing here today. Oh, goodness. It's allergies. Oh, just closing a trade I was in from before. I bought gold earlier. I'm getting out now. I can't breathe. Man, these allergies. I don't know what it is. Since I moved to Florida, I got bad allergies every morning. Anybody else, man? Only in the morning, too. Yo, it's cold down here today, man. It's got to be like 40 degrees out. Let me go look outside quick. You'll be looking at a reversal on gold here. It's sunny out, but it's cold. Let's see what it looks like on the 30-minute. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to be watching to see what oil does with the OPEC meeting. I'm not going to trade oil with that news coming. Be silly to take a position on oil. Even though I like trading oil too. Oil and NAS are my favorite pairs for this time of morning. Let me see what time is. Oh, our meeting's at 10:30. The only problem is usually when you got a meeting like that, it's a crude oil inventories. It's not OPEC. But when we got a meeting like that, sometimes the market just doesn't do nothing. It's like it's waiting for the news for the meeting. Everyone's waiting to see what happens with the news. It doesn't move until that news comes, and you never know how it's going to react to that news. So I'm going to stay away from oil, even though it's tempting. I mean, if it was to come down here, I'm not going to do it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it, man. Is Nas going to give us a pullback? I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. Gold again. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. What is gold doing, man? Can someone tell me what gold's doing? I'm at a loss here, man. I'll tell you the truth. At least just made a little structure here, you know. Uh, Give us something to work with. What would Don Vogt call that? A pineapple or something? Or is that a grapefruit? I forget. What is Naz doing, man? Your guess is as good as mine, guys. I don't know. I'm not feeling it today, man. How about you guys? You see anything? All right, what's US 30 doing? Let me see here. Did it take the lows? No. I mean, it really didn't do anything. Didn't take the lows, didn't take the highs. What is it doing, man? It's got to take some liquidity. That's the whole point. Let me look at EU. I don't even really like trading EU, but a lot of people like to trade it. Where is it? Did I move it out of here? I might even remove it from here. It gets on my nerves, EU. There it is. I don't know, EU looks like a buy, man, but you see here, it did take some liquidity, you know. It may come down further, though. It's moving really slow. Everything's moving a little slow today. Let me check UJ. Where's UJ? Come on, UJ, boy. I thought you were over here. Oh, UJ, there you go. UJ actually looks like a buy. Hmm. Oh, they have a trade, UJ. That's the only problem. Well, it looks like the best bet today, man. I don't know. Let me see. Let me get it set up here. I'm not in a trade yet, guys. This does not mean I'm in a trade. It means I'm thinking about a trade. I want to go down to the 5. I don't know. It's just moving so slow. That's the only thing that's bothering me, man. You know? Everything's moving so slow. What time is it? It's almost 10 o'clock. It could come all the way up here, you know? All right, guys, I'm going to take a small lot buy on UJ. Okay? That's one trade I'm going to take right now. Find it. Let's see. Take one. Okay, I'm taking a buy. This is like a half lot, guys. I'm going to buy on UJ. Let's see how many pips this is. Right to the top there. Just a quick. Right there, it's 35 pips. I mean, you know, ain't nothing wrong with that, man. We can get it, you know. Anyway, this market's crap today, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, I'm going to put that as TP1 right there. I know I don't have to take a trade, you know, but this looks like a good setup. If you see here, it took liquidity, you know, it broke, broke structure. Well, maybe it's going to go down. Who the heck knows? It may come all the way to here, guys. I'm going to hold it if it does. I'm going to, you guys set your own stop loss, guys. You don't even have to get in this trade. You know, we're all adults here, right? We manage our own funds. But I'm just going to watch it as the day goes by. If it comes down below here, I'll probably close it. Or at least take some, I'll manage my risk. Even below this wick here, I'll manage my risk. It might come down and fill this wick. See this wick here? We'll see. So that's the trade. That's a trade. Right there's closing full. And if that works out, it's a nice trade, guys. Let's see what happens. So that's one That's one in the books. Okay. That total trade is 4.5 to 1 risk to reward. The way it's set right now. Stop loss is down below 147, I don't know, 173, something like that. Right around there. Let me check NAS. I might sign up early. Let me see, what time is this oil thing at? Oh, it's at 10:30. Okay, maybe I'll hang around. I'm not going to do nothing with NAS. It's just consolidating now. Came back to here, maybe I will buy it. See this fair value gap here? Guys, I use an indicator for this. It puts the fair value gaps on the chart for me. What's the name of it? It's just ICT fair value gap. And you'll see other ones, you know, like you can see there's one here actually, but it puts the main ones, It's a nice little indicator to have, gives you an idea. And you'll see many, many times the price action will come down and just touch these fair value gaps in reverse. So, it does work. US 30. Mm. It's 30 then. Looks like it grabbed liquidity. Let's see what it does here for a second. There's no gap there. That's the only thing that I'm hesitating here. You see, it did come up here and grab liquidity. None of these wicks came up this high. Then it came down, broke structure, now pulled back. It may want to drop off here, right to here at least. Let's see if it breaks. If it breaks this high, it's invalid anyway. But I would probably enter that, but there's really no fair value gap. Yeah, look, here it comes. Damn. Look at that. My goodness. Let's see what it does. It hasn't come over 9 yet. Let's see what Nas is doing. What about gold? Yeah, I mean, oh, look at Nas. What the heck happened to Nas? Look at that, guy. I might take a buy on NAS here, guys. Yeah, I'm going to take a buy. Oh, let me come down one more time and I'm in. I want it to come down here one more time. This is at the bottom of this wick right here. Oh, man. Come on, NAS. Come on back down, baby. Don't leave me. If you leave me now. Don't do that, brother. Ah, man. Did anybody get in that? It may come back down. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to enter, guys. Get ready. I don't know if you guys are in already. See if it comes. I'm in. Right around that. Good enough. All right, let's see where it's going now, baby. Ooh, baby, please don't go. All right, where are we going to put TP1? Let me go to a little higher for right now. I'm on a computer. There you go. It's so hard to leave it all behind. All right, where are we going with this baby? Let me see. Let me mark off like 20, 30 pips, see where that puts us. What is that? That's 22 pips right there. Heck, we could do that with our eyes closed, guys. That's 20 pips. Let's take that as a TP1. You know? Ain't nothing wrong with that. The market's been a little funky. So let's grab this win here. If it wins, I don't know if it's going to win, man. I don't want to get cocky here because the market is going to do what it wants. But I'm going to mark that as TP1. Right there. That's 20 plus pips right there, guys. What is this? Let me get rid of that. And where are we going to put? Let's. I don't want to go all the way up. Maybe to the top. No, that wick's already been filled. I don't want to go crazy, guys. I'd rather win than put something that it's not going to reach and get stopped out. I see there is a fair value gap right here. You can see it here. I'll put it right there. Right to the bottom of that gap. That's closing full. Now, what's it doing now? All right, let's see what it does. It's not even going up. So, all right. So we got our TPs. We're all set. What time is it? 10:15. What time was that? I think 10:30, right? Yeah, 10:30 as well. I'll stick around till 10:30. I'm curious to see what's going to happen with that oil meeting. How could it let it slip? I'm right around break even now, guys. Okay, I just slipped into profit. Oh shit, what happened with UJ? Got all about UJ. Oh, look at that. It came all the way down. I never set my but right now I'm just about break even or a little profit with UJ. Very interesting. Sometimes it's good to just step away, man. If I would have been watching this, I might have closed. See this demand zone down here? I guess that'd be the right place to put it. Anyway, you should be in profit now, UJ, if you want to close, if you don't think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go up still. Let me go back to NAS. Oh, looks like squash now. How many pips is this whole trade? Let me see. Should be at least 40, right? Come on. What is that, 48? 48. So depending where you got in, it's a solid 40 pip trade, guys. You know, even if you didn't get in right where I got in, if it does go up, you should get 40 pips. My stop loss, I'm not concerned about it. I didn't set one. You guys set your own stop loss, please, if you're. I mean, it's pretty good where it is. I would go a couple of pips lower if I was going to actually, because you see you have this level here. But you guys set your own, man. I know it's going to go up. I mean, I don't know, but I expect drawdown when I take a trade. But look, now it's coming down. But you guys manage your risk on that. UJ is now 20 pips in profit, 21 pips in profit. Let me go look at UJ. I see it on my phone. Okay. NAS is going to do the same thing, guys, in my opinion. So I'm holding on NAS. Okay, I may take some profit when it touches this fair value gap. See this fair value gap here? Just because it does have a tendency a lot of times to reject off these fair value gaps. If it goes back up there. I'm gonna wait a second, see if it pops through it. Anyway, I don't know. We took 2 trades today. I wasn't gonna take any trade. I wound up taking 2 trades. How's that, huh? For mental illness. And you guys know what a gambler candle is? Trivia question. What do they call the gambler candle? Okay, guys, if you're holding NAS, hold, man. I'm telling you. It's going to go up, man. It's going to go up. Take my word for it, man. I want UJ now to go up TP1 at least. Come on, UJ. Do I got to play Rocky for UJ, man? Is that what it is? All right. If that's what it is, that's what it is, you know? Let's see, where's Rocky? All right, let's go, UJ. That's powerful, man. The candles can't resist but going up after they hear that inspirational theme, man. It's just the way it is, man. Look, we're bursting right now as we speak. It's about to flip. It's about to flip positive, man. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna get a cup of coffee, guys. Hold on a sec. What is it out, sir? Not bad. Oh, it's not bad? No. It's supposed to be screen. It's nice outside of that. Yeah, it's sunny out. Is it warm? Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah, I'm too close. I'm gonna get out after this. Yeah, well, you're wearing two jackets. All right, what do we got here? Still right where it was when I left. All right, good. Plug my power in. Come on, UJ. You and Nas breaking my chops here. Let's go. We know where you're going. Let's get it over with. All right, it's almost time for let's see, 10:30. I'm gonna go look at oil. 10:30. Let me see what oil's doing now. Oh man, oil's gonna go up, man. No doubt. I'm already in 2 trades, but wow, I'm down about 15 pips now on Nas. Up about 8 on UJ. Oh, we gotta be patient today. Sometimes it goes smooth as butter, sometimes not. Had 2 more minutes till the oil. One more minute. Oil's already starting to creep up. Yeah, oil's going up, guys. Ooh, it came right down. It doesn't seem to be doing much. Let me see what it actually said. Oh, I closed it by accident. I'll check it later. Let me open it back up. Okay. Hmm. I don't know. I would think oil's going to go up because it looks like it had less. I mean, previous was 8.7 million, and this one came out 1.6 million barrels. I don't really know if I understand that right, but I would think that would drive it up. Let's see. It doesn't seem to be really doing anything. So, I mean, it couldn't have been that critical of a news, right? I mean, let's face it. It's already 10:30. This is the longest I've been on here in a while, man. Usually we're in and out of these trades, like, you know, sometimes by 10 o'clock, man. You know, I, I'm going to hold, I want to at least close a TP1 on one of these trades before I go anywhere. You know, we want to get our stops to break even before we go fishing. Let's see where we are here. Let's go to NAS. NAS coming up. Should be in profit on NAS. Moving slow. Let me see UJ. UJ. See, it's rejecting off this this fair value gap. I want to see it push through there. All right, it's going up. There we go. There we go. Come on, push up, baby. Let's get to TP1. I'm up 16 pips. Maybe I'll put TP1 right here. Might be better. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, we can always close that right at the top of that gap. Once it fills that gap. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm up 15 pips right now. Oil having a late reaction. Let's see. Nah, that was a big nothing burger, man. Nah, it's still messing around. Uh-oh. What is up with Naz? Where does it want to go? Might want to come down to here. I don't know. UJ? Where's UJ? UJ still messing around. Come on, UJ, you got the best chance of hitting TP1 for us for you right away. Let's get it done. Stop dilly-dallying. We know Naz is going to hit TP1, man. I have no doubt. I just don't know when. I took smaller lot sizes on these trades, guys. I told you that when I took them, I think, right? But I mean, I believe both these trades are going to win. But I'm willing to go through a little drawdown on Naz. I don't want it to go crazy, but UJ, I am up about 15 pips. Is it 15? Let me do the math. No, it's about 13, 12. Come on, UJ, let's go. 10 pips now. Crazy. Ooh, Naz is down. I'm still holding, guys. I don't care. I know it's going to go up. I mean, how much? We'll draw it out. How many pips is that? That is about, right now, it's about 20 pips. That ain't bad. 20 pips drawdown. I mean, it was more before, I guess, but right now it's around 19, 18. Just got an alert on oil. Oh, oil's going up. Nice. I mean, it's taking its sweet time, but it is creeping up. You guys like trading oil? I always like trading oil. I don't know. I mean, not always, but ever since I started trading it, I really like the way it moves. Come on, UJ, let's go. Man, this is like torture, huh? This time of year, it's going to get worse too, man. It's going to get slow. Okay, I'm now down 14 pips in drawdown on NAS. I am up 10, 11, 12 pips on UJ. I think. What does NAS look like? Yeah, here comes NAS, man. I guess we entered too early again on NAS. I've been doing that lately. But I mean, if you believe it's going to go a certain direction, and you really believe it, listen, guys, don't trade with a giant lot size that you're worried about drawdown. You know, it's not good. It's not good for your emotions. Trading is all emotions, man. If you're worried about a trade so much, you're probably using too big a lot size. I'm willing to hold these trades in drawdown a lot of times because I only use, I don't use a giant lot size, man. I'm not trying to hit a grand slam every time, man. You know, trying to get a win here, win there, a little win, keep compounding. That's the name of the game, man. Hell yeah. Okay. Come on, man. Let's go, UJ. Let's go, Nas. Damn, man. I got to go to motor vehicle today and drop off my plate. I went to motor vehicle yesterday and registered my other car down here, my Challenger. Today, I don't have to go to motor vehicle. I got to go to the post office and mail the plate back to North Carolina. That's no big deal, but Oh, wow, Nas, man, huh? 25 pips. Is that 25 pips? Yeah, 25 pips. Draw it. Oh, coming up again. Guys, have faith. Nas is going up. UJ's coming down now, god damn it. But you see there's a little POI here. It should reject off here. Let's see how it reacts here. Let me come down to here. Hey, come on, god damn it. It's a slow day. Nasdaq still messing around. You know you're going up, Nas. Let's go. Get it over with. I gotta get to the post office. Give me my money and let's go. Make it snappy. See something for the heck of it. 23. That's 20. It'll have to be a 1 to 1. Be a 1 to 1. We've been right around here, so yeah, not great, but still okay. I still think it's going up, guys. Now UJ, on the other hand, messing with me now. Like, guys, I'm gonna have to get out of here, man. I want to go to the post office. I don't know. I hate to sit here staring at this thing all day. I'm just gonna hold, guys. What I'm gonna put an alarm at TP1. This way, if I'm driving or something, I know to check it and close. You know, close at least. I might close the whole thing depending on what time of day it is. Same with Nas. I'll give it a few more minutes. Let me get rid of this. And Nas is coming back into profit now. Let's see what it does. Alarm there. TP1. All right. Screaming back into profit, baby. As soon as it slipped into profit, UJ slipped out of profit. My goodness. Are we working against each other here, guys? Is this some kind of conspiracy? Huh? Some kind of conspiracy they got going against us here, guys. I don't care because I'm going to win both these trades. I don't care what they say. That's the way it is, man. You know why? Because that's the way it is. Because I said so. That's why. Come on, baby. I'm confident that these are going up, guys. If you're not as confident as me, you could get out at break even or a couple pips in profit anytime you want. It's been going in, they've both been going in and out of profit, you know. like NASDAQ just slipped below again. I am 3 pips. Oh, wait a minute. 1 pip in drawdown. Oh, break even. Oh, back in drawdown. All right, guys, I suggest you set alert if you want to do like what I'm doing for TP1. I don't know. I don't see any reason to stay on here any longer. It's almost 11 o'clock already. I don't think I've ever been on this long. I'm still holding these 2 trades, guys. They're both going to hit. All right. Let's have positive mindset. You know, we could change the outcome if we all think alike, guys. All 3 of us. Ay, ay, ay. I would really like to see one of them hit TP1 before I sign off. You know, I don't feel good leaving, you know, until we get some kind of outcome here, at least on one of these things. You know, but I can't stay here all day, man. I don't want to be one of these streamers that's on here 3 hours and then, you know, for 5 pips. The market's really going to slow down too, I'm afraid, you know, in December. I know I keep saying that, but last year I had a bad December. The market was just crap, you know. Like I said, a lot of guys don't even trade in December. A lot of the big, you know, the big traders. Well, I got to make money, so I'm going to try to eke out some wins here. I'll probably keep trading. We'll see. I probably won't, you know, I'm not going to trade Christmas week. I'll take off the week between Christmas and New Year. I will come back New Year with a bang, baby. We'll come back after New Year and start kicking butt. You know, let's see if Nas can break this little high here. And I think we got something good. There we go. It just broke it. There we go. Let's go, Nas. There we go. Keep going now, sucker. Let's go. Nice. All right, guys. Feel free to manage your funds here. There is you can see the fair value gap here. Like I said, a lot of times it comes to these and rejects. I don't know what it's going to do. I don't see the future, but if you want to secure some money, there's nothing wrong with that. You know, you can move your stops to break even now. Take a half, take a quarter, take 3/4. It's your money. We're all adults here. I'm going to hold personally, but that doesn't mean you have to do that, you know? Like I said, I have a bit, I probably have a bigger account and I'm using a small lot size. I'm not really worried about it, you know? I'm riding 11 wins in a row here, just on the stream. 11 wins in a row. I took a win on gold this morning. I closed it right when we came on. Right when we came on the stream, I had a buy on gold. I closed it right as the stream started, so I already had a nice win on gold. And, it is what it is. All right, it's touching that fair value gap now. Let's see if it rejects or if it pushes through. I'm hoping it pushes through. You see it reacting off it. Come on, man. Come on, Green Army. Push it through. Anyway, you should be up at least 15 pips. Now, if you got in where I got in, 16 pips. That ain't bad. I mean, it's not 20. I like to get at least 20 every day, but it's better than a loss, man. As my mom used to say, it's better than a hit of a stick. Now we need UJ to turn around and give us something. I'm still holding, guys. I don't know. I don't know if you guys took profit. I hope some of you guys took profit. There's nothing wrong with that. Could even have closed full there. I had a feeling it might reject off this fair value gap here. You should throw this indicator on your chart, man. It's the real deal, man. You can see it here in action. Look at the rejection we're getting off that fair value gap, man. Coming all the way back down. That's ICT fair value gap. Or it says FVG here, but I think it's spelled, if you spell ICT fair value gap, it should come up. All right, we're back now to break even. Well, we got a higher high. Let me see the price action. You see here, higher high, higher low, higher high. Hopefully, we'll get a higher low here and we'll push up next time. But I'm going to sign out, guys. Let me just check. What was the other one? UJ. UJ's turning around. UJ, same thing. Higher high, higher low. I hope. Looks like it right now. Probably get a higher high. Take us up to our TP. All right, guys. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry this didn't go smooth today, but we're still in these trades. I really don't see a problem here with these two trades. And I got my alarm set for TP1. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Stay blessed, man. Have a great day on purpose. Yeah, man. Peace, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Thanks for stopping by. Cheers, guys.